Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about typecasting, part of programming in Java course. Typecasting in Java allows you to convert a value of one data type to another data type. There are two types of typecasting in Java: implicit casting and explicit casting. Here is an example of typecasting in Java. In this example, the variable d is of type double and holds the value 3.14. The variable I is of type int and it is being assigned the value of d by explicit casting. The explicit casting is done by placing the type that you want to cast to in parentheses. Therefore, the variable of expression that you want to cast, in this case the double value 3.14, is being cast to an int value which will result in the value 3. Another example is implicit casting. In this example, the variable a is of type int and holds the value 10. The variable b is of type long and it is being assigned the value of a. By implicit casting, in this case, the int value is implicitly cast to a long value, which is a larger data type that can hold a larger range of values. It is important to note that when casting a larger data type to a smaller data type, there is a possibility of loss of data. And when casting a floating point type to an integer type, the decimal part will be truncated. In summary, typecasting in Java allows you to convert a value of one data type to another data type. And there are two types of casting, that is implicit casting and explicit casting. Implicit casting occurs automatically when a smaller data type is assigned to a larger data type, while explicit casting requires the programmer to use a cast operator to indicate the intended data type. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.